So what we have here in stromatolites are various processes. There is a process called trapping and binding, which is pretty obvious. It's taking microbial surfaces that live, trap and bind particles of suspended sediment. So some sediment that comes out of the water, just because the waves transported the currents, move it around, and because the surfaces of microbes are sticky, the sediment grains end up stuck to the surface. Now, there is another process that has to happen within the microbial mat in order for a stromatolite to form, which is called precipitation. And that is just happens because seawater contains a lot of ions. And if the water is saturated, it has a lot of these ions, and for example, some of the water evaporates, the salt made of these ions comes out of the solution. So we get crystals that precipitate. This is what's called precipitation. So formation of crystals out of ions in the solution. And if these crystals are calcium carbonate, just the same mineral that is also making all of these particles that are suspended, then we can get layers within microbial mats that we call lamina. And that's how we build a stromatolite.